Bonjour and welcome to French by Heart. C'est la partie 2 de la leçon après le bac. It is part 2 for the lesson après le bac. In this part, I have tried covering the grammatical concept and an important tense, le futur antérieur. Le futur antérieur se correspond à future perfect tense d'anglais. Le futur antérieur of French corresponds to future perfect tense of English. Ce temps décrit une action qui va terminer avant une autre action. This tense describes an action that is going to terminate before some other action in future. Autrement, on peut dire que c'est le passé dans le futur ou le futur avant le futur. In other words, we can say it is the past in the future or the future before the future. Observe this timeline to understand the working of this tense better. Let's try and understand this tense with a few examples in English. The first one is, I will have arranged my room before my parents will return. The second is, my friends will have left for the concert before I will arrive. Let's see the working of these sentences using the timeline. In the first sentence, we have two actions, arranging of the room and returning of the parents, where returning of the parents is something that is certain to happen in future, but before that the arrangement of the room will take place. Similarly, in the next case there are again two actions, my arrival and leaving of the friends for concert, where my arrival is a certain action that will happen in future. Before that, my friends will have left for the concert. La formation du futur antérieur en français. Let's see the formation of futur antérieur in French. Futur antérieur is a compound tense and is made by the auxiliary or the helping verb conjugated in simple future form along with the past participle of the main verb. L'auxiliaire au futur simple, le participe passé du verbe principal. As we already know, the auxiliary verbs in French are être and avoir. Let's see their simple future conjugation in French. Être, je serai, tu seras, il, elle, on sera, nous serons, vous serez, ils, elles seront. Avoir, j'aurai, tu auras, il, elle, on aura, nous aurons, vous aurez, ils, elles auront. Here is the French translation for the example that we have already covered in English. J'aurai rangé ma chambre avant mes parents rentreront. J'aurai rangé ma chambre avant mes parents rentreront. Mes amis seront partis pour le concert avant j'arriverai. Mes amis seront partis pour le concert avant j'arriverai. Observez ces phrases dans la chronologie. Also, keep in mind, the participe passé of the verbs conjugated with être will always agree with the subject like any other compound tense. As you can see in the second sentence, parti, this verb is conjugated with être as auxiliary. Therefore, the past participle form has agreed to the subject mes amis. Let's see some more examples of le futur antérieur. Lorsque j'aurai gagné au loto, j'irai à Paris. Lorsque j'aurai gagné au loto, j'irai à Paris. Dès qu'elle sera rentrée de l'école, elle rencontrera son ami d'enfance. Dès qu'elle sera rentrée de l'école, elle rencontrera son ami d'enfance. Aussitôt qu'ils auront su la vérité, ils te pardonneront. Aussitôt qu'ils auront su la vérité, ils te pardonneront. Merci.